Okay, 2012 on the core. Again, we're looking for a code P0302 It's very strange that a code came at the same time, the two middle ones. We swapped the coils, the code is still there. We replaced the spark plugs, the code is still there. And now, could be low compression or a vacuum leak, which I think is going to be a vacuum leak. We're going to test it out. I don't have a starting fluid. We are in indoors. We're not supposed to do that because when you smell this you go crazy, but we're crazy anyway. So we're going to spray on the intake manifold. Put attention on the engine. First at the base of the injector. You hear?
Yeah.
It's good to have a fire extinguisher close by, because if a spark going on. But now I'm gonna spray the base of the intake manifold. And now start shaking it. I think we have a problem over here at the intake manifold right here. The car shakes. Ahua! We're gonna have to replace the seals on the intake manifold. I think that's that problem.
Yeah, let's